stay up it?
Yeah. I've got extra boxes we're taking back anyway, so.
Yeah, but then you won't have to be placarded.
Alright, I still have to anyways. I got a case in there.
Oh, that's right.
Any amount? Well, I got a case, so I'll have to be placarded.
The only thing wrong
So she'll be buying for me again. The ones that you tape down, just ones that are funky.
Well, okay, that one taped down because the end piece would be right where you...
No, I sold some fireworks to somebody she works with that lives up by Charlton Park. She bought like $300 and some worth of fireworks from me.
Yeah.
So she was just calling to let me know that they loved them and they'll definitely be buying from me again. Which
Where'd
is
you
good.
get them from?
Oh, I buy them from all over. BGI convention, I buy cases of them and bring them back. I buy some out of State Line Fireworks. It's right across the border.
Yep.
You take 131 down. I don't know what town that would be. It's not Shipsy.
It's not, no, it's not a town at all, I'm not sure. I don't think that's actually a town at all. It's
Middlebury.
just a crossroads.
Middlebury's actually, I guess, is the address. But no, Friday, I sold $500 worth of fireworks.
Really?
And they cost me about $100. I sold
oh good, then you're buying us all lunch.
Yeah, he's having a child.
Yeah, so Amanda said, she's like, cribs money. Cribs. So it's going to be all bling bling and pink chandeliers and...
Yeah.
Or used from a garage sale.
And the same mine was used. Clothes she wants to buy, but then I'm like, do I have room for it? Not really. Is he gonna grow out it before he can wear it? Well, maybe. Well, then probably not.
So, you know, shit, like I said, I barely had to buy any clothes for my kids up until they were like 2 or 3 years old.